Let me tell you the truth. YouTube has changed the algorithm again. Some channels using AI the wrong way got demonetized, and others just disappeared overnight. If you're a creator using shortcuts, reusing content, or relying on bad AI tools, your channel might be next. But here's the good news. Not all AI tools are risky. In fact, some can help you grow faster without breaking any rules. Let me show you one of the smartest ways to use AI safely and why top creators are already doing this. And before we dive in, 99% of people watching this aren't subscribed. Hit that button and join the smart side of YouTube growth. If you're not using shorts, you're missing out. YouTube is pushing short videos more than ever. They want to compete with TikTok and Reels. And guess what? Shorts are blowing up small creators right now. One viral short can bring thousands of views, sometimes more than your last 10 long videos combined. A 10-second clip can do more for your channel than a 10-minute video, if it's done right. But here's the problem. Making shorts is not easy. To get good results, you need a good hook, a fast cut, subtitles, zooms, and motion proper vertical formatting. Doing all this manually, it's a nightmare. It takes hours. And let's be real, most of us don't have that time. This is where smart creators win. They don't make more content. They make better use of what they already have. Repurposing equals taking a 20-minute video and turning it into 5 viral clips. Instead of starting from scratch every time, they multiply their reach using the same video. Think about how many great moments you've set on camera and never used again. AI is changing content creation, no doubt. But like I said before, not all AI tools are safe. Some copy other creators, some create low-quality junk, and those are the channels getting hit by YouTube updates. If you want to grow and stay safe, you need a tool that helps you without hurting your channel. That's where a tool like NexusClips makes the difference. NexusClips is not just another editing tool. It uses AI to detect the most engaging parts of your videos, cut and format them for shorts, reels, TikTok, add captions, auto zoom, and effects. Export them in seconds. You keep your original video. You stay original. You stay safe. Now let me take you inside NexusClips and show you how this works, step by step. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, this is what you'll see. Let's start with the left side menu. We've got Home, Video to Clips, and Calendar. Now let's head over to the Video to Clips section. This is where the magic happens. Here, you can extract videos directly from your YouTube or Twitch channel. But the best part, you can also upload your videos straight from your PC. Just drag and drop, simple as that. We'll try it out in a second. But first, let's take a quick look at the calendar. Here, you can manage your posting schedule, track your uploads, and even view your full video history. Super useful if you're posting content regularly. Oh, and by the way, NexusClips supports 6 languages: English, French, Italiano, Espanol, Deutsch, and Portuguese. So no matter where you're from, you're covered. Now let's jump back to the home page. At the top, you'll see 2 main options: Video to Clips and Edit Clip. When you click on Video to Clips, it takes you to that section we just talked about. But on the right, we've got Edit Clip. This is where you can work on short videos you already have. For example, if you've got a clip from Twitch or a downloaded file, just paste the link or drag and drop it in, and boom, you're ready to start editing. But now let's focus on the main part. Let's test out Video to Clips and see how it really works. All right, as you can see here, these are some videos I previously uploaded to my channel, just to show you how everything works. But now, let's do it step by step, starting from scratch. I'm going to upload a brand new video, just like this. Once the video is uploaded, NexusClips gets to work. First, it lets you know that it uses AI to analyze the audio of your video. That's how it finds the best moments to turn into viral shorts automatically. Pretty cool, right? Next, you just select the language of your video. Then, if you want to get a notification when the video is ready, you can even add your phone number to receive a message when the process is done. Now, we wait a bit while the tool does its thing. As you can see, it's processing the video, analyzing everything. Let's give it a moment to finish, and then I'll show you the result. Here we go. As you can see, the video is now ready. On the left side, you'll find the clips that were automatically chosen by the AI, each with a performance rating. For example, the first clip has a score of over 85%, and the second one is around 78%. The first one is 31 seconds long, and the second one is 20 seconds. If you're not satisfied or just want more options, you can always click Generate New to have the AI create more clips for you. Or, if you prefer to do it your own way, just click on Create Clip at the top, and you'll be able to manually cut your video however you want. But for this video, I'm going to stick with the first clip. I'll select it, then click on Edit Video at the top, like you see here. Now check this out. NexusClips automatically generates a shorts video for you, complete with a thumbnail, title, and everything. But I want to do a bit of editing myself. So let's go into the Style section. You've got a bunch of options to choose from. I'm picking this one because my video has both screen recording and an avatar video, and this layout fits perfectly. Once you choose this layout, you'll get 2 video frames, one for your avatar video and the other for your screen recording, just like you see here. You can drag them around to get the best possible view and positioning. Now let's move on to editing the hook and stickers. For the hook text, you can change the color, font, size, pretty much anything to match your video's style and grab attention fast. Pick what looks best for your content, something that pops. As for the sticker, you can customize it however you like. Add your channel name, your Twitch handle, or anything else you want to highlight. You can also adjust how long it stays on screen, just like I'm doing now. And if you want to edit the subtitle style, you've got full control. Change the color, font, add a glow effect, shadow, whatever you want. Super flexible. Once your video looks perfect, all you have to do is click the share button at the top. Now you've got 2 options. Post it directly to your platform or download it to your device to publish manually. Now let's check out the final result and compare this short version to the full-length video we started with.
Like the ones on the table, where there are 2 more cups, he starts by pouring liquid into the red cup, then appears to pour it into the paper. After that, he hides the cup behind the paper, the same cup that had the liquid in it. Finally, he pours the liquid again into the last cup, surprising his girlfriend with a clever trick. This guy and his girlfriend are doing magic tricks. She's standing in front of him, and he's facing her, as you can see. He holds a piece of paper in his hands, and behind him, there's a small red cup, like the ones on the table, where there are 2 more cups. He starts by pouring liquid into the red cup, then appears to pour it into the paper. After that, he hides the cup behind the paper, the same cup that had the liquid in it. Finally, he pours the liquid again into the last cup, surprising his girlfriend with a clever trick.
Alright guys, NexusClips is the best tool if you want to turn long videos into viral shorts with 0 effort. And hey, if you ever run into any issues or have questions, feel free to message me directly in the Telegram group. I'm the admin there. You'll find me under the name Slimu. Much love to all of you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.
There was a woman walking past some firefighters who were cleaning their fire trucks using a long water hose that was lying on the ground. When she reached the hose, she bent down, grabbed it, and lifted it to step over. Even though the hose was actually small and low enough to easily step over without even noticing it, the firefighters reacted to this in a funny way. There was a woman walking past some firefighters who were cleaning their fire trucks using a long water hose that was lying on the ground. When she reached the hose, she bent down, grabbed it, and lifted it to step over. Even though the hose was actually small and low enough to easily step over without even noticing it, the firefighters reacted to this in a funny way.